That's not good, is it? There goes Carey. Can win it. Oh, and he was just looking for the offload. It may still work here. Oh, and the offload, and there is Ellis Bevan. And Cardiff have got the opening score. So Sean Evans with the tap. Davis again. Fifita will have a go. The offload. Once more. Just a matter of millimetres. And the referee has awarded the try. And getting up, it's the former Gloucesterman by Alex Craig.
Set. Work hard now.
So Bevan there with the put-in.
Gareth
Davis just making a real nuisance of himself. Tammany again has got it at his right, but it's another penalty advantage. Now can they make it count? They're over the line. They haven't got it down though.
Set. Stay square now.
But he's keeping a close eye on Kemsley Mathias. And it's another penalty, and this time it will be a yellow card. And I rather suspect it will be Kemsley Mathias who comes to the blow. In the shadow of the post. That was Seb Davis having a little dig. Who's it going to be now? Reece Carey, and Carey is over. And the try has been awarded. Sean Evans, that is. On to Sam Wainwright.
No hands.
Wainwright had made his Wales debut on the tour of South Africa last year. Johnny McNichol. Nichol slipping through. It's yet another score in the URC for this man. Number 45. The scorer of the first Scarlets try, Alex Craig.
Come out, you've lost your bind. Change of lanes, obstruction.
So De Beer, after a long pause. All rather works though, doesn't it? Johan Lloyd. That was Evans. Here's that man, Johnny McNichol. What an offload. Bit of space. The chip ahead from Steph Evans. Now the chase, and look at Gareth Davis! You can hear there Ellis Bevan just pleading with the referee. Shane Lewis-Hughes just presenting it. Man, the offload to Thomas Young.
Advantage.
Well, you can see there a Scarlet who just couldn't help himself but get his hands all over the ball. So here is Tinus De Beer. And as he has done
the shot
all
clock is
night,
on, the TMO's telling me.
Down in the Western Cape,
Steady.
he conceded 52 points at the hands of the Stormers. Well, off goes Gareth Davis again. He's determined to win this match all on his own. It may be via Fifita in the corner. How glad they are to have him back. There's been a knock-on advantage being played now for Cardiff, but there the advantage goes. Kabanga gets after it, took that well, and this fella can fly, believe me. He steps inside Jan Nicholas, and Kabanga is away, and he's not going to be caught. Oh, and Winnett's been caught on his way through. That's going to be a penalty. And it's going to be a yellow card as well. Oh, and Winnett's been caught on his way through. That's going to be a penalty. And it's going to be a yellow card as well. Johan Lloyd goes back. He waits till the clock goes through 80. He fires it into touch. And in a highly entertaining full 80 minutes of action at Parker Scarlets.